Welcome to this lesson on laboratory equipment. Today, we'll explore the most common tools you'll encounter in any science laboratory. Understanding these essential instruments is the foundation of safe and effective lab work. Let's begin our journey through the world of laboratory equipment. Let's start with beakers, one of the most versatile containers in the laboratory. Beakers are cylindrical glass containers with a flat bottom and a small pouring spout. They're used for approximate measurements of liquids, making them perfect for mixing and stirring solutions. You can also heat liquids in beakers, and their wide opening makes them convenient for holding solutions during experiments. While beakers have volume markings on the side, remember that these are only approximate measurements, not precise ones. Next, we have Erlenmeyer Flasks, also known as conical flasks. These distinctive containers have a flat bottom with a conical body that tapers into a narrow neck. This unique shape allows you to swirl liquids vigorously without spilling, making them ideal for mixing reactions. Erlenmeyer flasks are commonly used in titrations, chemical reactions, and even culturing microorganisms. The narrow neck also makes them safer for heating and boiling, as it reduces the risk of dangerous splashes. Volumetric flasks are precision instruments designed for accuracy. These pear-shaped flasks have a long, narrow neck with a single calibration mark. Unlike beakers, volumetric flasks are calibrated to contain one specific volume with high precision. They're essential for preparing standard solutions and performing accurate dilutions. When you need exact concentrations in your solutions, the volumetric flask is your go-to tool. Each flask is designed for just one volume, ensuring maximum accuracy in your measurements. The Bunsen burner is your primary heat source in the laboratory. This gas-powered device produces an adjustable flame that you can control by regulating the air intake at the base. When properly adjusted, a Bunsen burner produces a blue flame, which is the hottest and most efficient for heating. This makes it perfect for sterilizing equipment, heating solutions, and conducting various chemical reactions that require controlled heat. Always remember to adjust the air intake to achieve that clean blue flame for maximum heat output. Graduated cylinders are tall, narrow tubes specifically designed for measuring liquid volumes. Unlike beakers, graduated cylinders provide much more accurate measurements thanks to their multiple volume markings along the side. When reading a graduated cylinder, always view it at eye level and read the measurement at the bottom of the meniscus, which is the curved surface of the liquid. These cylinders are more accurate than beakers, but less precise than volumetric flasks, making them ideal for everyday volume measurements in the lab. Pipettes are precision instruments used for transferring small, exact volumes of liquid from one container to another. There are two main types: volumetric pipettes, which deliver one fixed volume with extreme accuracy, and graduated pipettes, which allow you to measure variable volumes. Pipettes are essential for titrations, preparing dilutions, and any procedure requiring precise liquid transfer. Their high level of precision makes them indispensable for quantitative analysis and preparing solutions with exact concentrations. Let's review the essential laboratory equipment we've covered today. We explored beakers for general mixing and approximate measurements, Erlenmeyer flasks for safe swirling and reactions, volumetric flasks for precise solution preparation, Bunsen burners for controlled heating, graduated cylinders for accurate volume measurements, and pipettes for exact liquid transfer. We also acknowledge other important tools like microscopes for viewing tiny specimens and balances for precise mass measurements. Mastering these fundamental tools will set you up for success in all your laboratory work. Practice using each piece of equipment properly, and you'll develop the skills needed for safe and effective experimentation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.